My name is Daniel Liew, and my channel is all about helping you to optimize your health and quality of life through Tai Chi and Qigong. In this series of videos, we are going to learn Simple Qigong for relaxation. And we're going to start with a very simple Qigong I call turning the spine. Turning the spine Qigong is one of the best Qigongs that I know because it's so easy and it's so simple and you can do it anywhere. So what we want to do is we want to begin with our feet shoulder width apart. So we begin with our feet shoulder width apart. And we want to have our hands resting on the belly. Men, left hand on the navel, right hand on top. Women, right hand on the navel, left hand on top. And we breathe into the belly expands like a balloon. Breathing out of the belly, relaxing the belly down. Always breathing into and out of the belly. Relaxing the tongue, the jaw. Relaxing the eyes, always breathing. Relaxing the entire body down. And feel the feet connected to the floor. Good. Now, we're going to let the arms hang down. And what you want to do is you want to start to turn the spine. The pelvis is also turning. So you're turning the spine. And you want to let the arms swing freely. So the trick is not to control the movement, but to really just let the spine turn and let the arms loose. So we're turning the spine, always breathing. So it's the entire spine, the lower back, the thoracic vertebrae up in the chest, and the head and the neck too. And if you imagine that the top of your head, the crown, is directly above the tailbone, and you're just turning and twisting. Breathing in through the nose, into the belly, deep into the lungs, gently filling the lungs. So you can see that the arms are swinging freely, and the hands, they just tap the body where they will. And this tapping gives a very nice little release for the body, for the spine also. Tapping is one of the best things that you can do. Okay, good. And you can feel your entire spine. If you close your eyes and try to feel the entire spine, and you can feel each of the vertebral discs, each of the vertebrae are very gently turning and twisting. And where it feels a little rusty, it's starting to become a little more smooth. This is actually the most simple way to do this exercise. There's also a couple of other variations I can show you in another video. Okay, very good. Feel the entire spine is becoming just a little more flexible, a little more soft. And the hips are becoming just a little more open. And we slowly come to a stop. Good. And we make a big circle with the hands always breathing, raising the hands above the head, palms facing down. Breathing out, lowering the hands down, 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 all the way down, towards the feet. And again, resting hands on the belly, breathing in. And breathing out. Always breathe into the belly. Breathing out of the belly. Relaxing the entire body down. And feel the feet connected to the floor. And relaxing. Okay, very good. Go ahead and shake out the legs a little bit, shaking the feet out, shaking the legs out, moving the arms around a little bit. And what I'd like you to do is to just start turning the spine a little bit, just moving around and see how does it feel in the body right now? How does it feel in my spine? And I'm sure that already you're starting to feel a little bit looser, a little more energized in the body. And it's a very valuable Qigong. I like to do it any time of the day. I hope you enjoyed the Turning the Spine Qigong. If you feel good and you find value in this video, please comment to let me know. Your comments really help to inspire and to motivate me to create more valuable content for you. If you'd like to subscribe, please click on the bell icon below. Thank you for joining, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.